This is Drug Science's first ever medical cannabis teaching session here at BMA House. Drug Science has been campaigning for 10 years now, since our beginning, to try to have a rational approach to cannabis and cannabis medicines. We thought we got it last year when government said that cannabis was a medicine, but we've discovered actually that was just words. In the last 6 months, there have been virtually no prescriptions on the NHS for people who've got disorders such as epilepsy and multiple sclerosis that would benefit from medical cannabis. So I've decided now we have to do more, and we have to start educating doctors, educating patients, educating other healthcare professionals like nurses, so that they understand there's a rationale for using medical cannabis, and that's to dispel some of the scare stories which have been used over the last 40 years or so to try to justify keeping cannabis illegal.
I was actually diagnosed with a temporal lobe epilepsy in 2012. Thankfully, I'm now 2 years in remission, but I've used cannabinoids and they've really helped. And I'm really hoping that this is, a really positive step forward, and that patients are going to be getting their prescriptions and no longer going to be criminals, and actually, that information is going to be there for them.
So I'm going to talk to the physicians here today to give a Canadian perspective about how to practically prescribe and what to consider and what are the thought process Canadian physicians go through when prescribing cannabis from a risk-benefit perspective.
I got introduced to medical cannabis about 5 years ago, and it certainly has changed the way I practice medicine since then. It has been a tremendous asset in being able to reduce other medications that could be harmful or even have certain lethal doses associated with it. It certainly has not been without its controversies and its hurdles. We're definitely heading in the right direction, and it certainly is an exciting time to be a part of this.
This is the first of a number of these kind of teaching sessions we're going to roll out. We're going to Birmingham tomorrow. We'll be going to Manchester and Scotland in the next few weeks. And on top of that, we're developing an online educational platform which professionals can sign up to and teach themselves all they need to know about why cannabis works in medicine and how to prescribe it.